Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at the Epronic extended CD slot mount for CarPlay screens. If you've been searching for a stable, adjustable, and versatile mount for your in-car monitors, this might be just what you need. The Epronic CD slot mount is designed specifically for vehicles with a standard CD slot, offering a unique two-in-one design. It combines a CD slot holder with a 360-degree rotating arm, allowing for extensive adjustability. Whether you need to angle your CarPlay screen slightly for better visibility or completely swivel it out of the way, this mount provides a solution without obstructing any control panel buttons. One of the standout features is its upgraded triangular support structure, which enhances stability significantly. Paired with high-quality anti-slip silicone, the mount ensures your device stays firmly in place, even on bumpy roads. The design supports both upside-down and standard installation, giving you additional flexibility depending on your car's layout. Compatibility is broad, accommodating car monitors ranging from 6.86 to 11.3 inches. This means it's perfect for CarPlay screens, GPS devices, or even baby camera monitors, providing a secure and reliable mounting solution. The mount uses a 17mm ball joint, allowing smooth 360-degree rotation for precise positioning. Installation is straightforward but requires attention to detail. The mount comes with screws for tightening, so ensuring all knobs are secure is essential for safe and stable use. Keep in mind, this product is strictly a CD slot mount and doesn't include any additional features like wireless charging, phone clamps, or magnets. Also, it's not compatible with hidden CD players or slots placed too close to the gearshift. The mount itself is compact, lightweight at just over 3.5 ounces, and the package includes the CD slot mount only. Its black finish blends seamlessly with most car interiors, and the construction feels durable and premium. Overall, the Epronic extended CD slot mount offers a clever and functional way to bring your CarPlay screen or other monitors within easy reach, with full adjustability and strong stability. It's ideal for drivers who need a secure and unobtrusive mounting solution without modifying the dashboard or windshield. If you're looking for a versatile, reliable CD slot mount that lets you rotate and adjust your screen freely while keeping all your controls accessible, the Epronic extended CD slot mount is worth considering. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product critiques right here on Product Critique.